It's Thursday, March 26, 2015, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. As of 10:20 in the morning, very unpleasant out there. Moderate to locally heavy rain across pretty much the entire area, with temperatures in the lower 40s in our southeastern counties, mid to upper 30s right along Lake Erie. You can see the rain snow line on this radar. It's not perfect, but it is sinking southeast. There's actually a little bit of an accumulation trying to start there on the Route 2 causeway over Sandusky Bay, where we have some webcams and a webcam in Chardon showing some wet snow, and I'll show you another radar product here in a second that shows the rain snow line a little bit better. You can see the precipitation is going to start pulling out from west to east here over the next couple of hours, so even if you do change to snow along the lakeshore, any accumulations would be slushy and rather light, although it is late in March, so I'm sure you'd rather not see any snow at all. Alright, so this radar product, it's a little different than the standard how hard is it raining or snowing products that we normally show. It's called differential reflectivity, and where these higher values are hanging out, you can see from central Lorain County up right over the airport through northern Cuyahoga County into parts of Geauga and Ashtabula counties. That tends to be a good sign of where the rain snow line is. Now, the radar beam is aloft a little bit, so it's possible that it's snowing aloft in these areas, but still melting before it gets to the ground. However, you can see this line making gradual progress to the southeast, and you can see it really collapsed to the southeast over Lorain County here over the last couple of frames as some heavy precipitation moved in. So if that's correct, that might signify a rather quick change to snow here over the next hour as heavy precipitation moves in across Cuyahoga, Lake, and Geauga counties. We'll see if that holds true. But it is something a little different to look at, and based on some webcams, this appears to be fairly accurate. Again, though, it's just some very wet flakes along the lakeshore because it's still a little bit too warm near the ground for the better snow to make it there. Taking a look across the entire country now, what a difference a day makes. Yesterday, we had our first real severe weather outbreak of the season across parts of the plains, Oklahoma, into Missouri and Arkansas. Today, they're cold there and sunny. There's a powerful cold front running through the Ohio Valley into parts of the mid-Mississippi Valley, pushing off to the southeast. Unseasonably cold air moving in behind it, even some lake effect snow off of Lake Superior that will be moving our way by tomorrow. Along the East Coast, it is still fairly mild. There could be a couple of stronger storms along the East Coast today. No outbreak expected. So after an active day yesterday, it has become quiet across the country. Yesterday in Cleveland, we did a mild 56 and 32, a little bit above average. Records for today are 80 and 14, 1700ths of an inch of rain at Hopkins yesterday. Much needed, still running below normal on the monthly yearly precipitation. Sunset tonight is at 7:46. And for the rest of today, we're going to see the rain continue to try to change to snow, especially in our northern counties through early afternoon, before things wind down to just a few light showers by late afternoon and into this evening. Temperatures nearly steady in the mid to upper 30s. And for tonight, a few snow showers are possible, especially late. No major accumulations. Lows in the mid to upper 20s. Taking a look ahead now on one of our forecast computer models, you can see the precipitation slackens fairly quickly over the next few hours, which is why I'm starting to think there won't be much, if any, accumulation of snow along the lakeshore. The precipitation is just going to become too light before it gets cold enough. Should really dry out, just a few showers late this afternoon into this evening. As we head into tonight, it will continue to cool off, and a few snow showers could work in as a weak disturbance goes by. No major accumulations expected tonight, maybe a light dusting at best. Picking this back up, moving on into Friday morning now. There could be another brief lull in the precipitation early Friday. However, as we head towards Friday afternoon, with some daytime heating, a few instability-type snow showers could develop inland, and a better disturbance will drop down across the lake by later Friday afternoon and into Friday evening. As that disturbance moves down, could give everyone a continued chance of snow showers into Friday evening with maybe a light dusting. It will also allow some better lake effect or lake enhanced snow to develop Friday night in the snow belt, and it'll get cold Friday night. Temperatures will quickly drop into the 20s Friday evening and eventually get into the upper teens in a lot of areas by Saturday morning. That is easily cold enough for snow to accumulate. So there could be a 1 to 3 inch accumulation in some of the higher terrain of the snow belt with the lake enhanced snow late Friday afternoon through Friday night. As we head into Saturday, however, you can see things are drying out fairly quickly. So yes, you don't want snow in late March, but it should be fairly minor. 7-day time now. Look at these high temperatures over the next couple of days, struggling to hit freezing Friday and Saturday overnight lows. In the teens this weekend. After Friday night or early Saturday, the snow should taper. Sunday, though, we're going to increase the clouds ahead of another cold front. We will warm up a little bit, still below average. Rain likely Sunday night. Shouldn't be too heavy, just some showers. Monday, the rain quickly ends. Temperatures don't cool off too much for Monday, and then by Tuesday and Wednesday, a storm system will start gathering to our west, allowing gradually warmer air to move in and eventually a chance of rain too. Wednesday looks like upper 50s at least. That might again be short-lived. We could get another decent blast of cold air by the holiday weekend, so stay tuned. We will permanently warm up eventually. It is almost April. All right. With NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.